So yes, greetings to everyone. Today we present you Princess Carriage. So we are a team of 4 members. We are from Group 13 Creative Charms. This is our team, and we are all undergraduation students. This is Hepzibah Grace from BSc MSCS, and this is Aishwarya from BSc MSCS, and this is me, K. Gyanavi Nair from BCom Taxation, and this is Nikita from BSc MSCS. As we are all college going students, we have seen and we have faced many problems faced by women while traveling. These are all problems faced by all women while traveling, like afraid of late nights, cab rides, solo travel concerns, safety and security concerns, lack of comfort and facilities, uncomfortable with male drivers, and solutions. So here we are with a solution by providing 2, 3, and 4-wheeler vehicles as women drive and women travel. In this, we are providing cab facility with women drivers and comfortable rides, security rides like SOS button, self-defense kit, and menstrual kit, and subscriptions like a pick up and drop for office and college facilities like that, and special facilities for pregnant and lactating women. And value proposition. Yes. So these are the facilities which differ us from our competitors, like women drivers, security like SOS button, affordable prices, menstrual needs, cushions for pregnant women, curtains for breastfeeding women, first aid kit, emergency defense kit, and zero cost on cancellation up to a time limit GPS tracking. And we're having many competitors such as Sakha cabs, She cabs, Boping cabs, Women with Wheels, Priyadarshini cabs, etc. As per competitor analysis, none of our competitors have facilities of 2-wheeler and 3-wheeler. Also, our competitors are mainly focusing on women empowerment, but we or Princess Carriage will be focusing on both empowerment and as well as women security. This is the TAM, SAM, and SOM for the 2 separate, like state-wise and country-wise. And in the state-wise, we can see it's like a 16 lakh 86,447K, and SAM we can see 66 lakh 10,050K, and SOM we can see 45,000. And that in country wise we can see TAM is 31 crore 38 lakh and 34,050K, and SAM we can see 15 lakh 75,000K. SOM is 13 lakh 1,35,000K, sorry. And in TAM we have taken the women population both state-wise and country-wise, that is total population in the state and total population in the country. And SAM we have taken the women who are likely to use the cabs, and in the SOM we have taken approximate estimate that who are going to use up in this carriage. And next, firstly, as we are going to design and develop an app, this is our product roadmap. In phase 1, we are going to develop an app and provide 2 to 3-wheeler taxi. And in the phase 2, we can see that we are going to provide contract with MNCs for cab facilities. And in the phase 3, we are going to expand to the other cities. Firstly, as we are going to design and develop an app so that the woman passenger can book the ride, enjoy the safe ride, and do payment and also feedback. This is our second working model. Like firstly, as mentioned before, we will like in phase 2 we'll be making contracts with MNCs, right? So firstly, we'll be making contract with MNCs, then we provide vehicles on subscription basis. And then it's market opportunity. For our market, we have selected Hyderabad as it is the capital of Telangana. And in Hyderabad, we can see most of the women will be working, and many women will also be taking transportable facilities like booking of cabs, etc., mainly in this area. So we have selected this Hyderabad as our market opportunity. And next one is market analysis. In this, in market analysis, we are seeing compound annual growth rate. We have taken the study period of 2018 to 28, base year for estimation 22, forecast data period 23 to 28, and historical data period 2018 to 21. Compound annual growth rate for 13.55%, and market concentration is medium. And the major players for this is Ola, Uber, etc. And next we can see these are the expenses which we are getting for the first 3 years. Sorry, this slide has mistaken. Yes, this is the public opinion. We conducted a small survey by creating a Google form and shared it to the women of the age group 18 to 45 of age. And here we are few